Hello, and welcome to Ling Orbit. Learn new words every day and broaden your horizons. Ready? Let's begin!
Abandon. Abandon. To leave something or someone behind permanently. To leave something or someone behind permanently. He had to abandon his car when it ran out of fuel. He had to abandon his car when it ran out of fuel. Abbreviate. Abbreviate. To shorten a word or phrase by removing some letters. To shorten a word or phrase by removing some letters. We often abbreviate doctor as doctor. We often abbreviate doctor as doctor. Abide. Abide. To accept or follow a rule, decision, or law. To accept or follow a rule, decision, or law. Everyone must abide by the new safety regulations. Everyone must abide by the new safety regulations. Abolish. Abolish. To officially end or stop a practice, law, or system. To officially end or stop a practice, law, or system. The government plans to abolish the outdated policy. The government plans to abolish the outdated policy. Absorb. Absorb. To take in or soak up something. To take in or soak up something. Plants absorb water through their roots. Plants absorb water through their roots. Abstain. Abstain. To deliberately choose not to do or have something. To deliberately choose not to do or have something. He decided to abstain from voting this year. He decided to abstain from voting this year. Accelerate. Accelerate. To increase speed or make something happen faster. To increase speed or make something happen faster. Pressing the gas pedal will accelerate the car. Pressing the gas pedal will accelerate the car. Accentuate. Accentuate. To emphasize or make something more noticeable. To emphasize or make something more noticeable. She wore bright lipstick to accentuate her smile. She wore bright lipstick to accentuate her smile. Accept. Accept. To agree to receive or take something offered. To agree to receive or take something offered. They decided to accept the new job proposal. They decided to accept the new job proposal. Access. Access. The right or opportunity to use or obtain something. The right or opportunity to use or obtain something. Only staff members have access to the database. Only staff members have access to the database. Accommodate. Accommodate. To provide space or help for someone or something. To provide space or help for someone or something. The hotel can accommodate up to 300 guests. The hotel can accommodate up to 300 guests. Accompany. Accompany. To go somewhere with someone. To go somewhere with someone. He asked if he could accompany me to the concert. He asked if he could accompany me to the concert. Accomplish. Accomplish. The succeed in doing or completing something. The succeed in doing or completing something. We can accomplish more if we work together as a team. We can accomplish more if we work together as a team. Account. Account. A record or report of something, also a place for storing money data. A record or report of something, also a place for storing money data. Please create an account on our website to continue. Please create an account on our website to continue. Accumulate. Accumulate. To gather or collect something over a period of time. To gather or collect something over a period of time. She managed to accumulate a huge library of books. She managed to accumulate a huge library of books. Accuse. Accuse. To charge someone with wrongdoing or fault. To charge someone with wrongdoing or fault. They accuse him of breaking the company's policies. They accuse him of breaking the company's policies. Achieve. Achieve. To successfully reach a desired goal or results. To successfully reach a desired goal or results. She worked hard to achieve her dream of becoming a pilot. She worked hard to achieve her dream of becoming a pilot. Acknowledge. Acknowledge. To accept or admit the existence or truth of something. To accept or admit the existence or truth of something. He had to acknowledge the error in his calculations. He had to acknowledge the error in his calculations. Acquire. Acquire. To obtain or gain something, often through effort or purchase. To obtain or gain something, often through effort or purchase. He plans to acquire new skills through online courses. He plans to acquire new skills through online courses. Adapt. Adapt. To change or adjust to fit a new situation or environment. To change or adjust to fit a new situation or environment. Animals adapt to survive in different climates. Animals adapt to survive in different climates.
We've reached the end of our orbit for today. Hope you found this Ling Orbit lesson helpful on your journey to learning English. Stay tuned for more words, phrases, and fun content in our upcoming videos. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss our next adventure. See you on the next planet.